Hello, and welcome back to Bite Me. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Elon Musk has the burning desire to form a human colony that will live permanently on the planet Mars. While many people may scoff at his reasoning for pursuing this goal, the tech billionaire has been relentlessly pursuing it. However, Musk is not the only person interested in sending humans to Mars. The US, through NASA, also wants to send astronauts to the Red Planet. Incidentally, both Musk and NASA want to use the same space vehicles to put humans on Mars, so they've just revealed the new Nucleus Starship. How does the new Nuclear Starship work, and what does it offer? Join us as we bring you the how, and Musk will finally reveal the new Nucleus Starship in 2022. NASA has been prolific in sending rovers to Mars. A rover is a remote-controlled robotic motorized vehicle designed to move across the surface of another planet or other celestial body. On July 4, 1997, NASA's Pathfinder Sojourner rover became the first wheeled robot from Earth to land on Mars's rocky terrain. The Sojourner was a micro-rover weighing 23 pounds and was built to last for only 30 sols. A sol is equivalent to 1 Mars day, which translates to 24 hours, 49 minutes, and 35 seconds. However, the rover remained active for 85 days, or 83 sols. Sojourner landed in the Ares Valley area of the Red Planet and covered a distance of about 100 meters. The rover was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, as part of the agency's Pathfinder mission. NASA followed the Sojourner up with a pair of rovers, the Opportunity and the Spirit. Both landed on Mars in early 2004 within 20 days. Both rovers were designed to explore the planet for only 90 sols, but Spirit was operational for 6 Earth years, and Opportunity traveled Mars for 510 sols before becoming trapped in a pile of Martian sand in April 2009. Spirit covered 4.8 miles or 7.7 kilometers from the Gusev crater where it had initially landed. The rover not only sent spectacular images of the Red Planet's terrain, but also became the first robot to grind up the Martian surface using a rock abrasion tool, or RAT. The next wheeled NASA visitor to Mars was the Curiosity rover, which arrived in August 2012. It's the largest rover ever built in terms of size. The rover is 10 feet or 3 meters long, 7 feet or 2.2 meters tall, and has a width of 9 feet or 2.7 meters. So basically, it has dimensions similar to an SUV. According to NASA, Curiosity is still active and has covered more than 16.8 miles or 27.0 kilometers. The rover can move up to 100 feet per hour, but is not always in motion. Curiosity made some notable discoveries on Mars. The rover drilled out a mudstone named Sheepbed that hinted at the presence of life-supporting elements in the ancient Martian environment. It also detected methane gas in the Red Planet's atmosphere, which can indicate either life or water content in the soil. The latest rover to arrive on Mars is Perseverance, roaming the planet since February 2021. It even brought along a robotic helicopter companion called Ingenuity. Perseverance is equipped with state-of-the-art investigating tools to capture microscopic details hidden in the Martian rock and search for evidence of past microbial life. Perseverance will look for signs of past microbial life on Mars and will also collect and store rock samples from the planet such that NASA can bring those samples to Earth in the future. Despite all the achievements recorded with rovers by NASA, the agency has not been able to land an astronaut on Mars. This is because a human-crewed mission to the Red Planet is still a costly and risky endeavor. NASA never had a technology that guaranteed a human astronaut would return alive from Mars. For example, NASA has to provide a solution to the effects of high levels of radiation exposure and changes in gravity, the isolation and confinement on the long trip, the need to provide for any medical emergencies or equipment, failure in how to provide enough food. That, however, is not stopping NASA from trying the agency as a project that will take its astronauts to the moon in preparation for an eventual trip to Mars. NASA has designed the Space Launch System SLS rocket for safely dispatching humans on missions to deep space, and the Orion capsule, which will keep the astronauts alive during the trip, which takes days rather than hours, and then deliver them to the Gateway. The Gateway is the point where Elon Musk comes in. SpaceX is developing the Starship, which will receive the astronauts at the Gateway and land them on the moon's surface. After completing their mission, the Starship will then return them to the Gateway. Future human landers will carry large roving instrument kits to locate life-sustaining and mission-enabling resources on the moon and collect and return samples to the Gateway. The Starship is capable of handling this increasing amount of cargo. However, the goal is Mars missions to the moon are about 1,000 times faster from Earth than missions to the International Space Station, requiring systems that can reliably operate far from home, support the needs of human life, and still be light enough to launch. These technologies will become increasingly critical for the 34 million mile trip to Mars. The moon mission is an opportunity to test new tools and instruments, as well as equipment that could be used on Mars. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us. Cheers, my friends.